From now on, you will not be missing any trends happening in the market, whether you are day trader or swing trader. And the great thing is, all of these indicators are completely free to use. Open up your empty TradingView chart and set your time frame to 1 minute for the demonstration purposes, and we will be trading Nasdaq. And the great thing is, this whole strategy is working on any time frame and any type of market. So now we will head over to indicators tab for our first indicator and search for simple moving averages, and you will see indicator from stocks inbox. Click that to your chart. It will load on your chart a lot of lines like this, but don't get confused because we will configure everything to make more money together. Basically, this indicator will plot automatically the 50 EMA, 200 EMA and all that stuff. So let's go over the settings to see SMA line 20, SMA length 50. So it is very helpful tool if you are not a premium member on the TradingView, because it will allow you to put a lot of SMA line in your chart. So make note of this. Let's continue with our second indicator, and it is called range filter, and you will see indicator from a phantom trader. Click that to your chart, and it is called buy and sell 5 minute. So that's it. That's all you need to do. After you add this indicator, you will see on your chart, let's hide this, and buy sell signals. Also there will be a cloud, dark cloud, and the white cloud over here. Easy like that. So what we're going to do now is we will learn how we will use this indicator setup to maximize our win rate. First of all, let's go over the settings for the range filter. Change your sampling period to 100 and your multiplier by 3. If you done that, go to style tab and let's disable the unnecessary things, the high target, the low target, the bar color we don't need, and you can just leave buy and sell signal. But if you want, you can also enable the bar color. This way you will see if it is a bearish candle or the bullish candle. Let's leave it that way. We can change after that. And the second thing what we need to do is changing settings on the SMA indicator. Get ready to take your trading to the next level. I have passed lot of challenge account easy like 3 to 1 with Algo Premium. These indicators are here to guide you in the darkness. You can use Algo indicators on any market you want. Algo has 3 different trading indicators, signals and overlays, price action concepts, and oscillator matrix. The great thing is they all have their own backtesting system. Click the link in the description to claim your discount now. Actually, we don't need a lot of these SMA lines, so let's disable these guys, because the simplicity will give you the best result. That's how I do it. So let's go to inputs. Your first SMA will be 20, second will be 50, and third one will be 100. If you done that, just hit the OK button. And now, as always, setup is ready. Rules are simple. Personally, I really like this whole setup because it let me drive the whole trend. I will not get in FOMO or excited to close my position early. With that setup, I can hold my position until the trends end. So here we got a buy signal, we got a sell signal, a buy signal. There are a lot of signals, right? So it's a little bit confusing. But the one thing here you need to note to yourself, you need to accept losses if you want to make money, because none of these indicators are 100% win rate. But with just one trade, you will cover at least your 5 losses. This is how it works, guys. Make sure that you are not focusing on a perfect whole setup. There is no holy grail that will give you 100% win rate. For example, here, it gave you buy signal, but we will avoid this signal. How? I will teach you. So let's jump in some example here. This is, by the way, from the today's price action on the Nasdaq, and you can change your time frame to 3 minutes if you want. So you can change your time frame to 1 minute or 5 minutes, whatever you want. So let's discuss everything on the 5 minute. We got this buy signal over here, and if you notice something, by the way, when you switch to higher time frame, your signals will be less. Why? Because it will, the price action will be more slow. It will give you more accurate signal on the higher time frames. But sometimes you can miss the opportunities. But with that strategy, you will not miss it. This is what we're aiming for. So here we got a buy signal at the 7 a.m. in the morning. And what you will do after you get this signal, you will wait patiently 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 candles. So it's like a 30 minutes. You need to wait a half an hour because you need to wait until all these bars closes above the all SMA lines over here. And after that, what you will do is you will initiate your long position with the what? With the bar close. So you have to wait bar to close before you initiate your position. So we will initiate the position here. We will put our stop loss to the recent support line. So we will target like always 1 to 2 risk reward ratio, but there are a couple of things that I will show you because we will ride the trend today. And you can see that it has already banked. It's easy like that. And here we got the second signal, which is sell. So what you will do with this sell signal is so simple. You will do nothing. Why? Because you need to wait until these bars closes below these SMA lines. Is it closed? No. And what happened here is you get a buy signal. You see it, right? The market is hunting for the stops. It's doing a seek and destroy. What time is it? It is 9:35. The New York AM just started. So it always happens. Sometimes it goes down and sometimes it goes up, or sometimes it's just goes a little bit down then just skyrockets. So you will not get trapped with this whole thing. Why? Because after you get the buy signal, you check one thing. Is the bar closes above these all lines? No. You see that it just closed here, so you saved yourself from the loss. And after one candle, you see that the sell signal came into our screen. What you will do? You will wait until these bars closes, and you will initiate your position here, and you will put your stop loss to the recent resistance line, and you will write 1 to 2 risk reward ratio. So this is very easy, right? You understand. And now let's deep dive how you can write the whole trend together. I have switched my time frame to 1 minute because I would like to show you how you can maximize your whole execution here. Let's roll the market. Now it is 7 a.m. in the morning and we got a buy signal at nearly 7 a.m. right? So what you will do is you need to wait until all these price candles close above this all three SMA lines. Easy like that. There are no exceptions. You need to wait because if you rush, you will lose money. But sometimes when in your luck, you can make money, but don't take that risk because eventually you will make money if you just follow the system. All these indicators are working if you just stick to your trading plan. Easy like that. So let's roll the market. You see that the price just closed here. You will initiate your long position, right? You will initiate the position here and you will put your stop loss to the recent support line. So let's see if we get stopped out or if we make money. Let's roll the market. Market is tries to go up. It's going up and we have already reached the 1 to 2 risk reward right here. So what you will do now here? You will close half of your position. If you have watched my videos, I always do like that in my live session or my all videos. You will close half of the position here, right? We closed it here. We banked. And what you will do is you will put your stop loss to your break even. So the rest of your position will be a risk-free easy money. This is literally easy money, guys. So let's roll the market. We see that market is going up and still going up. We will close our trade when the price hits the second line of the SMA here. It still didn't. But the second rule here is when you get a sell signal from our indicator called a range filter, you can close your position. The rest of the position, let's calculate how much we made. We just initiate the position here. It was free money, right? No risk reward ratio, but let's assume that you keep it that way. 8.83 risk reward ratio is something from another world. You can just pass all your challenges or you will make a money just like this. I hope you understand this. Let's roll the market. Let's see how much we will make or we will lose in a continuation of the session. So we got a sell signal, we closed all our position here. Do we initiate the position? No. Why? Because we need to wait until all this bar closes below the all SMA line. Easy like that. So we're rolling the market and we see that the market just closed the bar below all the lines. So we will initiate the short. We will put our stop loss to the always recent resistance line, because you need to put yourself in a safe zone. Even if you lose this trade, you made 8.83 risk reward ratio. You can lose, no problem. You can lose like 3 in a row, but in the end of the day you will make money. And this is a very good for your psychology, and the psychology is very important when it comes to trading. So let's roll the market. We initiated the short with the bar close here, and we will target 1 to 2 for our half of the position. Let's roll the market. Let's see. We are about to get stopped out. As you see here, we're carrying our position, and you see that we hit our target. So there is a very important question you can ask me. We get a buy signal here. What we gonna do now? Are we going to close the position, or should we carry the position? It really depends on you. But when I see this drop and when I see there is a target downside the market can go and fill, let me just quickly show you here. It is very important thing. We have this target, right? So if I see this target sitting there, I expect the market will come and fill this low. So that way I will keep it. But you can just close it here, maybe in a loss or maybe just a small profit, no problem. You can reinitiate your short position where? Here. Easy like that. And you will put your stop loss to the recent resistance line, and we will target 1 to 2. Let's roll the market. We are watching the market very closely, and voila. And we hit our 1 to 2 risk reward ratio point here. And you can see that we get a buy signal here again. So another question, another price action lesson here. So you will move your stop loss to your break even. We got a buy signal here. What we will do? You can close all your position if you want. But as I said earlier, when I see this target sitting here, I will not close my position, since it is a risk-free easy money. You can trail your stop like here to the recent swing highs, right? So if it comes here, you can just easily close and you will make money either way. And what you can do is you can ride the trade until here and close. Or what you can do is you can just ride the trade. Look at this price action. You can just ride the trade until the price bars hit the second line of the SMA. It just keep going down, easy like that. So making money is not hard on the stock market or the futures market or the crypto market. All you need to do is follow your system, trust your tools, and execute. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys found some value in this video. If so, please consider watching those videos over here, and until the next time, see you soon.
From the city to the beach, you've had a nice and reach. Trading stocks, making moves. I'm the boss at 3, 2, 1. Got the hustle in my blood. No